pressed hers out. I know exactly what you're talking about. Yeah, she made hers like straightened out like it's just regular old hair. Like, well, yeah, because it's still his hair. No matter if it's like a little bit of gray, a whole bunch of gray. Mm-hmm. Okay, get this egg. Mush it around. Yep. Oh, Eva, I'm still brand new. Just brand new. Just every time brand new. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. So, yeah, her head is her shoulders. But she wears shoulders out every other day. Yeah, like, oh my gosh. Yep, her head is her shoulders. She'll do a regular shirt every now and then, but she shows off her shoulders. Like, oh my god. Uh, uh, yep, I am. Yep. Because curves is alright. Whew. Curves are alright. Yeah, yep. Oh. Well, they have to be passionate about it. The ones that's D or C and below, they need more loving than the other ones. The other ones could just go fast, but the ones they call C and below need more help. But but the only thing about it, those average teachers, I make them feel like they actually need that extra help because they're kind of behind or something like that. So, like, no, you're supposed to know how they learn and teach how they learn, and that way they can get their scores up. That way they can be average. So, well, that's what I think about that. The ad. I'm gonna start off with 1 can of sauce. I think the last time I did 2 cans, it was I need 2 cans. Let's do 1. Okay, gonna put this tomato sauce. Put a little bit on the top. Okay. Mix it around real good. Well, I did see her run her. She looked like she was in a regular sweatpants, sweatshirt and sweatpants. I'm like, yes. Like, that's how you run. You don't run in no shorts. No matter what size you are, you don't run in those shorts. If you do run in shorts, you're going with like a group of people. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, no. Okay. Well, now I got the sausage to put on top of it. So I'm going to put this in this pan. Like so. Just kind of dump it out. No meatloaf left behind. Alright. Okay. So you form it up in. And then you press. The fair is coming. The fair is coming. Fair is coming. Alright. This looks nice. Green peppers. Onions. Sleeve and a half of crackers. Seasoned salt, pepper. Ground beef. Egg. And tomato sauce. So, you put your last part of your tomato sauce. Yeah, I'm kind of glad they, mm-hmm. No, they're in Virginia. I'm not talking about them. Okay. You better just trying to find out where she's at. I'm not telling you. Anybody that sits there and say, what do you want me to do? Do not need to know what she's doing. You don't deserve to know. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Yeah, they need to be down here and do what we need them to do. Put a little bit more seasoning on the top. Preheat the oven to 350. Cook for 45 minutes. Or until bubbly, golden brown, and not pink in the middle. Alright. See. That's the finished product. So pretty. So I use tomato sauce, crackers, egg, and pepper in it. Seasoned salt, pepper.